Question is consider the 2-bit multiplexer shown in figure. The output of the output to be the XOR of C and D. The values of A0, A1, A2, and A3 are. So the question is like mux is given here, and C and D are the select lines S1 and S0 of the mux, and we have the input A0, A1, A2, A3 connected to 0, 1, 2, and 3 of mux inputs. Okay, and the question is what should be the values of A0 to A3 such that this acts like a XOR gate, right? And what is the input here? C and D should be the input of the XOR, and the output is the output of the mux. Okay, so we'll first write the truth table of mux. So I have C, D, and output. Okay, for C 0, 0, 1, C 1, 0, and 1, 1. So these are the inputs, and we know for XOR gate when inputs are 0, 0 and 1, 1, the output is 0, and if there is any difference between C and D, then the output will be 1, right? So from this circuit CD 0, 1, 2, 3, and this output, we know when input is 0, 0, the output should be 0, right? So when input is 0, 0, the mux input corresponding to 0 will be selected. So what should be the input here then? It should be 0. Okay, now when input is 0, 1, then the output is 1. Okay, so we know when the input is 0, 1, the input 1 will be selected. So here it should be 1. Okay, similarly, when the input is 1, 0, the output should be 1. Okay, and when the input is 1, 0, the input 2 will be selected. So I have to set here as 1, then only that input will come to the output. Okay, similarly, when the input is 1, 1, the output should be 0. And we know when the input is 1, 1, the input corresponding to the pin 3 will be selected, right? So here the input should be 0, so that I'll get a output 0 here. So what should be the input corresponding to A0? A0 should be 0, A1 should be 1, A2 should be 1, and A3 should be 0. Right? So the answer will be A0, 0, A1, 1, A2, 1, A3, 0. Answer is C.